Everybody can see this shit. That was completely covered all the way up to the eaves and freaking branches. Still got more freaking shit to do here. Catherine and I are still cleaning up some of the slash I just cut. There's the main ass branch I just cut down from that son of a bitch. And we're about ready for freaking Sierra Nevada torpedo time. There's a freaking like a 6 foot high freaking pile of branches, and we got another 6 foot high by freaking 12 foot wide freaking parking space upstairs that we still gotta freaking clear get ready for the freaking tree guys that are coming to freaking chop this shit up into little motherfucking pieces. So, goddamn. I still got this one to take out. We're starting to get there. We've already worked on this one, but this whole dead mother's gonna go. That one there, we don't know yet. We're gonna take that one out. That fucker's gonna go. And the one down by the chicken pen, it's definitely going. It's only freaking just about half alive. And its life expectancy in my book is freaking done.